BNB chain dominates GameFi with most titles. Game on. Let's talk about this. The captain's here. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, the Binance blockchain ecosystem has dominated Web3 gaming, also called GameFi, for the third quarter, according to a recent report from the company. Now, in the report released on October 20th, the world's largest crypto exchange, if you did not know that, is Binance, revealed that its own native blockchain ecosystem dominated the blockchain gaming sector in the third quarter of 2022. Very, very interesting. They're into the GameFi movement. Now, the State of Crypto Q3 report into the crypto and DeFi ecosystem over the past 3 months, which has been bearish and pretty flat in terms of activity, as we know. But check this out. Its GameFi data was interesting, as Binance BNB chain has dominated the sector with a 36.6% market share. Now, BNB chain has the highest, look at this, has the highest number of games built on the chain. Now, BNB chain, Ethereum, and Polygon all dominates GameFi, but BNB is the leader. The second largest two networks of GameFi, or I should say Web3 gaming, were Ethereum with 20.2% and Polygon with 11.8%. Now, between them, the three blockchain ecosystem made up 70% of the GameFi market. Now, Solana is coming up there, was the fourth largest platform in terms of Web3 games with a 6.9% market share, according to the report. Now, GameFi is still, it's in this industry, still in the beginning stages. The majority of other projects are still in development, beta, or alpha stages, if added. Now, web or browse-based games are leading the pack with over 1,000 titles released. Android mobile devices make up the second most popular platform in GameFi. So this whole genre of GameFi Web3 is being dominated by BNB, Ethereum, and Polygon dominates the GameFi, but you got Binance blockchain has dominated Web3 gaming, also can GameFi. They seem like the leaders. We'll see what happens in the future as this continues for the rest of 2022, but I'm excited to see what's going to happen in 2023 as this continues to grow. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.